and welcome back to KD's Business Tips. Glad to be with you. Michael Lapide here, talking to you about bringing assets into your business. Now, when you're bringing assets into your business that are your own assets, so let's say you have a vehicle, some tools and equipment, or some office equipment, and you're wanting to bring it into your business, your corporation in this case, let's say, it has to be brought in at fair market value to avoid complications with the CRA. So you must determine what that fair market value, and what fair market value is what you could sell it for today. What could you list it for and actually get payment for if you were to sell it today? That is the fair market value. Now, even if you're rolling business into a sole proprietor, it actually should be the same guideline too as well. So whether it's a corporation or a sole proprietor, doesn't matter. It should still be at fair market value. Now, there are ways to do it outside of fair market value, but it becomes much more complex. So when we transfer it in, the nice thing is if we transfer it into a corporation, we are then owed the money for that asset. That is like a shareholder loan owed to you, and you can then take out that money tax-free. So let's say you had a truck and you started a business, you got this corporation, you go, yeah, I want the truck to be used in the corporation. I have my car over here for personal. This is going to be a corporate truck. I'm going to use it to haul my tools around, do work, whatever it is. You could then sell it to the company or transfer it in at that fair market value, and let's say it's $40,000. That means you could take out that $40,000 or whatever the amount is tax-free. So that's very, very important. And at the end of the day, if there's a reason to transfer it outside of fair market value, we can use certain rollover procedures and different things. Much more complicated, a little more expensive to do all the paperwork, might need a tax lawyer, but depending on the situation. But in most cases, it's just going to be simply transferred at fair market value. If you got any questions about transferring assets into a business, let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being a part of our business tips, and we'll see you in the next video.